Today our topic is circle included in class 10 syllabus. Now, if a straight line and a circle lie on a same plane, then three situations arises. What are the three situations? This one, you see this straight line, it is not intersecting with circle. Here you can see the straight line intersect the circle at 2 points. So, this straight line is known as secant of that circle. Now, if these 2 points A and B coincide, that means if this straight line moves like this, at a particular situation, the point A and B, they coincide with each other. This will be the point. Then, you see here, then the straight line intersect the circle at only one point, or you can say the straight line touches the circle. Then this straight line is known as tangent of that circle. Then what is the tangent of a circle? Now, if a straight line touches the circle at only one point, then it is known as tangent of that circle. And this point where it touches the circle is known as point of contact. This point is known as point of contact. Okay? Theorem, that is the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Here in this diagram you see xy is the tangent to a ocentric circle at the point P, OP is the radius. So, we have to prove that xy perpendicular OP or OP perpendicular xy. To prove this one, we need to take an arbitrary point Q on xy, then join OQ which intersect the circle at the point R. So, as OP and OR are the radii of this same circle, so OP is equal to OR. So, OP will be less than OR plus RQ, that is OQ, as extra length is added to the right hand side, so OP becomes less. That means OP is smaller than OQ. What was OQ? OQ was an arbitrary line segment drawn from the point O on xy. That means OP is smallest among all such lines that can be drawn from the center O to the line xy. As OP is the smallest, that means OP is perpendicular on xy. Hence, it is the theorem. Theorem, the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Here in this diagram you see from the external point P, PQ and PR are the two tangents drawn to a ocentric circle. We have to prove that PQ is equal to PR. Now, to prove this one, we need some construction. We have to join OP, OQ and OR. Now, prove. In these two triangle OPQ and triangle OPR, OQ is equal to OR, radii of the same circle. This angle OQP is equal to angle ORP equal to 90 degree. Why? As we know, the tangents are perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact and OP is the common side. So, right angle hypotenuse side, in this criteria, these two triangles are congruent, triangle OPQ congruent to triangle OPR. As these two triangles are congruent, so their corresponding parts are equal. that is PQ is equal to PR. These two are corresponding sides, that is the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. It is proved. A problem is given. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Then we have to prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. That is, the sum of the opposite sides are equal. Okay. Now, let this point where the quadrilateral touches the circle, that is the point of contact, are P, Q, R and S. Then this AP and AS are the tangents drawn from the external point A to this circle. What we know? A tangent drawn from a external point to a circle are equal. So this AP is equal to AS. Similarly, BP is equal to BQ, CR is equal to CQ and DR is equal to DS. Now adding these, AP plus BP, that is equal to AB, CR plus DR, that is equal to CD, AS plus DS, that is AD, and BQ plus CQ, that is BC. So adding this left hand side and right hand side, we can get AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC, that is the sum of the opposite sides of this quadrilateral are equal.